I'm sure many people have experienced the feeling of falling in love. However, there is not only that kind of love, we also keep deep feelings of love for beings as our closest family and friends. Why do we fall in love? According to scientific research, because it is a momentum that has been developed to promote the continuity of the species. Falling in love begins in the cerebral cortex, and for at least the first phase, love is a chemical reaction. Usually, we associate love with the heart, but the brain is the one that keeps all the secrets of how humans fall in love. Dr. Fisher says that there are 3 stages. First, lust. Second, selective sexual attraction. And the last one is the attachment in which love develops, and as each of these is driven by different chemical and hormonal processes. Lust. Here, everything enters through the eye, and it is basically a sexual attraction. This stage is the first instance of love for both men and women, where testosterone and estrogen are released. In addition to falling in love with the other person, it also begins to build a romantic view of the world around us. Selective sexual attraction. Here, you cannot stop thinking about the other person. At this stage, the monoamides play a fundamental role. Dopamine, adrenaline, and serotonin are also released. They are associated with increased energy, hyperactivity, insomnia, loss of appetite, and increased heart rate. The brain of someone who is in love looks very similar to someone who has consumed cocaine. Adrenaline accelerates the heart rate and is responsible for making us have sweaty hands when we see the person we love. Finally, serotonin makes you crazy when you fall in love. People who fall in love have lower levels of serotonin. This is similar to people with obsessive compulsive disorder. Attachment is the deep sense of togetherness. The nervous system releases 2 hormones that determine attachment to the couple, and it is believed that these play a very important role as regards the social aspects and lifestyles of a group. Studies have shown that during orgasms and just looking at a photo of a loved one, there is an increase of dopamine and norepinephrine. This not only causes sexual arousal, but also your heart race and feel the desire to be with the person more and more.